Shanghai Sipwell Electric Company Limited is a professional industrial product supplier. Our main product field is electric cabinet and electric box. Strict quality management and faultless service make our product is popular in worldwide market. The associated factory has standard produce line and use advanced equipment for testing and production that can ensure good quality. Meanwhile, we use environment-friendly material. That is one of the main reasons that our product can attract many customers. We have a scientific price system. It makes our products easily accepted by many countries. We also have professional product design team. Humanity design makes our products be extensively used in many industrial fields. Our associated factory has been ISO 9001-2015 certified, and all products have passed CCC certification in China, as well as CE, RoHS IP67, UL certifications. Sipwell's products are exported to South America, Europe, Southeast Asia, South Africa, Australia, and the Middle East, and are welcome all over the world. Under the business policy of leading position comes from profession, we will bring more reliable, functional, and humanism products to consumers throughout the world. Facing the new century, the staff members of our company will endeavor with no let-up for new breakthroughs in various fields. For this purpose, our company will make great efforts in improving and perfecting the production facilities and build a team of professional and qualified personnel.